Hello guys! Today we're having another laser car wash. So let's get on with this. Ooh, looks like we've already started. Let's do this. Oh, what's going on? Papa, close your window. I'm recording. Okay. I'm glad we had a car wash because this morning, guys, on my way to school, I actually saw Stain, and good thing that Stain has its own last words, because it's going away. Woo! Here it comes.
Ang sabon man.
Woo! Woo!
Water mama. Kabara kusog.
Oh, what's next? More soap! Yay! I can hear the back. Whoa! Here it comes. More soap.
Apil man ang wheels ani mama.
Oh, a little stain.
The outside.
Looks like it's a home.
Good thing we're getting a wash.
What's on the outside, mama? It's moving.
What? I wonder when the water's gone. Oh, what's happening? Whoa. Here comes the water. Ooh. Whoa. It's a big waves. Big wave. Whoa. There's one also at the back. Here it comes. Bye bye. Wee. That stain is gone. What?
Wala ni mga wax.
What's this stuff? I don't know. It's water. Oh, it wasn't water. Look at that. Woo, the water's back. Whoa. Bro, come on. Can you please be serious? I think it's another one. Wow. Here it comes. Yeah. Woo. Don't tell me it's coming. Whoa. Cool. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.